Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to make money online, you're not alone. I've been there trying different methods, chasing the latest trends, and constantly hitting roadblocks. One thing that always came up in my research was that having your own digital product is one of the fastest ways to build a sustainable online income. But let's be real. Creating a product from scratch is a nightmare. It takes weeks or even months to plan, write, record, and polish something worth selling. And even after all that effort, there's no guarantee that people will actually buy it. That's why I was really excited when I came across Course Vault PLR. So what exactly is Course Vault? This is a massive collection of 200 done-for-you video courses, all with private label rights and master resale rights. That means you can take these courses, rebrand them, sell them as your own, and keep 100% of the profits. No need to create content. No need to spend thousands on hiring experts. Just plug, play, and start selling. If you've ever wanted to have your own online business without the hassle of product creation, this is probably one of the easiest ways to get started. What makes this PLR bundle stand out is the sheer volume and quality of the courses included. These aren't just random, outdated videos. The topics cover in-demand niches like email marketing, SEO, AI and ChatGPT, making money online, affiliate marketing, social media growth, and so much more. These are the exact kinds of topics that people are already searching for and willing to pay for, which means you have a built-in audience ready to buy. Let's talk about how you can actually make money with this. The beauty of PLR is that it gives you full control. You can take any of these 200 courses, rebrand them with your own name, logo, and branding, and sell them as your own digital products. You can create your own membership site, bundle them into premium packages, use them as lead magnets to grow your email list, or even launch your own coaching program. The possibilities are endless. And since these are video courses, they have a much higher perceived value compared to ebooks or PDFs, which means you can charge more for them. If you've ever tried buying PLR before, you probably know that a lot of it is low quality, outdated, or just plain unusable. That's not the case here. Course Vault is packed with high-quality training that looks professional and is actually valuable to your audience. Plus, you don't just get 1 or 2 courses, you get 200. That means you have enough content to sell for years without running out of material. Now, one thing I really appreciate is that this is a one-time investment. Unlike other digital products that charge you a monthly subscription, you pay once and get lifetime access. That's a huge advantage because it means you don't have to worry about ongoing costs eating into your profits. You can grab the whole package, start selling right away, and every dollar you make is yours to keep. If you're wondering whether this is beginner-friendly, the answer is yes. You don't need to be a tech expert or a marketing genius to make this work. Everything is already created for you. You just need to decide how you want to use it. Whether you want to launch your own online store, sell courses on platforms like Udemy, or even flip them on marketplaces like Warrior Plus, this bundle gives you a huge head start. The key to success with PLR is how you use it. Don't just take the content and list it as is, customize it, add your own insights, and make it unique to your brand. That's how you stand out in the marketplace and attract real buyers. With 200 video courses at your disposal, you have endless opportunities to build something that works for you. But here's the catch: this is a limited time offer. Right now, they're offering a launch discount, which means you can grab everything for a one-time low price. Once the launch period is over, the price is likely to go up, or they might even close the deal entirely. If you've been looking for an easy way to start making money online without the usual struggles, this is one of the best opportunities out there. So if you're ready to take action and start your own digital product business, now's the time. Click the link below, check out all the details, and secure your access to Course Vault today. Don't wait too long, because once this deal is gone, you might not get another chance. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next video.